customize Team Playbook, you can go up to the top left corner and click Tools and then Settings. Up in the top left box, you can adjust the color scheme for the backdrop and the fonts up at the top and around the body of Team Playbook. You have two color choices, and if you notice at the top, it switches from Team Color 1, your selection there, to Team Color 2 for your selection there, and then the font will be applied as well from the color you select. So from those two colors, you can have a two-color scheme from your school along with the fonts. I'm actually just going to go ahead and select both team colors to be black and then go with a white font to make it easy to read and very simple. For your two colors, you can make your two combinations anything you want. Moving down to the middle box here on the left, you can pull in an image like your team logo or any other image of your choice, and it'll show up here at the top right and in the middle of the body of the Team Playbook application. So you can click on Add Logo here, navigate to the image of your choice, and then go ahead and pull that in. And as you can see, there'll be a preview of that image, and you'll be set to go for that image. Down at the bottom left here, you'll see there's three different choices for your hash marks depending upon what level of coaching you're at and how far away you'd like to see each of the hash marks. Over here on the top right is where you can assign your player personnel names and their colors for both offense and defense. These are just your standard defaults that will show in all of the basic formations. I'm going to go ahead and change this wide receiver and this tight end just for an example, and the tailback as well, or the running back. We'll change that halfback to a tailback. There you go. On offense and defense, you'll have right guards and right tackles, left guards and left tackles. You also have on defense, more than one linebacker. And as you can see right here, we only have just the one linebacker, and you may have 2 or 4 or 3, and they may all have different names that you'll want to go ahead and specify. You can do that up here in the Edit Player Names, clicking on that button, and then right-clicking on any one of the default players. You can then add a player name. So you can see I've got a few here. I could right-click on this player, add player name, and then I'll go ahead and type in whatever I'd like. And I can type in as many different player assignments as possible. And as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and add a few here. Go ahead and add one for the running back. Not only can you add running backs and personnel names, but you can actually name them anything you want. So you could actually put in their player jersey number. So if you like to keep track of a certain player that is all over the offense, you can actually assign every skill position on offense the player jersey number 32. And as he shows up everywhere in the offense, you can actually have him as an option to go ahead and assign and keep track of. Click Save once you've got everything going, and you'll be set on your personnel for play card drawing. Last thing is this bottom box. If you don't like the circles that we use in our formations for the play diagrams, you can actually navigate to an image, any image of your choice, whether it's your team logo, an X, an O, anything you want. I think I have a helmet right here. So if you wanted to use a helmet for the player image, you could do that as well. Just click this little box right here that says use this player image, and then click Save when you're ready to go. So click Save when you're all set. As you can see, I've got my black background with the white font, and all the other changes will apply on the play cards.